Are you thinking about divorce? Have you turned to ChatGPT for advice? Hi, I'm Simon Dippenaar and I'm a divorce attorney. If you're thinking about divorce and concerned about the cost, you might be thinking about doing it yourself without involving a lawyer. You are legally allowed to do this. There is no requirement in law to use an attorney to complete a divorce. If a couple is in complete agreement on the division of assets and other terms of the divorce, they can obtain the necessary forms from the local magistrate's court. The court will also provide guidance on how to complete the divorce without legal representation. But this solution is really only practical for couples who have not been married very long, don't have children, and have no significant assets to divide. It helps if they were married out of community property without accrual. In that case, all property each spouse owned prior to marriage continues to belong to the individual. For everyone else, legal advice is recommended to ensure the divorce agreement is fair and equitable to both parties. With the astounding growth of generative artificial intelligence, or AI, language tools like GPT, you may decide to seek legal advice from a chatbot rather than consulting an attorney. You can then fill in the forms from the magistrate. Beware. ChatGPT does not always get the answers right. However intelligent the answers may look, they are not derived using human judgment. A firm of divorce lawyers in Belfast, Northern Ireland, decided to put ChatGPT and Bard, Google's chatbot, to the test. They asked the chatbots a series of questions about divorce law and asked them to draft documents such as a matrimonial separation agreement and a divorce petition. Here's what they found. ChatGPT provided insufficient detail in 50% of its responses, and Bard provided insufficient detail in 70%. Both chatbots generated factually incorrect answers 1 in 5 times. If you rely on chatbot answers to your divorce queries, this level of inaccuracy and inconsistency puts you at serious risk of being misinformed and misled. If you take the answers at face value without seeking confirmation or further information, you could wind up losing far more in the long run than you would have spent on professional legal advice. I am interested in AI and believe it has significant potential in many areas of life, but I don't think ChatGPT will put me out of a job just yet. By all means, use it as a starting point to do some initial research, but for something as important as your divorce, there is no substitute for an experienced attorney. ChatGPT has been around for 9 months. I've been helping couples negotiate divorce agreements and build new lives for 12 years. If you want to discuss your options in complete confidence, give me a call on the number in the signature below.